everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making this eggless waffle recipe upon a request. So I will make two different type of toppings here, one with homemade chocolate syrup, whipped cream and some chocolate chips, and another one, my favorite, with maple syrup and vanilla ice cream. Let's see how to make it. Take flour, baking powder, baking soda and little bit of salt, whisk them together and keep it aside. To make the buttermilk, take room temperature milk and vinegar, combine and set aside for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes now. Our buttermilk is ready. To this, I'm gonna add sugar, vanilla, melted and cooled butter. Give it a good mix. Then it's time to add the dry ingredients. Add them in batches, 2 or 3. And whisk them just until all the flours are combined. Make sure not to overmix here because we don't want to lose the air pockets. Our batter is now ready. Keep that aside. I am using a waffle iron here. It can also be baked in a silicone mold in oven. I am going to preheat nicely first so that the waffle comes out evenly cooked and has a nice golden crust. Make sure to grease the batter into the oil and cook them according to your appliance's instruction. I like them a little crispy outside, so I leave them a little longer even after the green light is off. This recipe makes 5 waffles, so I am going to make all of them before assembling. If you are making a bigger batch, make sure to keep them warm in a 100-degree oven until ready to eat so they stay nice and warm and crispy. So there you go, my eggless waffle recipe. It's super simple to make. I'm gonna decorate it with homemade chocolate syrup, some whipped cream and some white and dark chocolate chip. If you're going simple and classy, drizzle some maple syrup and all up a vanilla ice cream and dust it with icing sugar. You can go with endless toppings here. Drizzle with some Nutella or top it with some fresh strawberries or even mangoes. Make this recipe and let me know how yours turned out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.